Na during time of the apostles time, gi-persecute sila by the pagan Rome. Imbis nga gi-persecute sila, ning samot nung sila kalig-on, their blood are like seeds. And Satan changed the approach. Sa approach ng Satan, it seems he mingled with them. It seems converted. Yet, gimingled ang truth and error, the pagan doctrines and what's the pagan doctrines and the Christian doctrines, and many of them go with the doctrines. So actually they are lowering down the standard, and many who keep the standard, the pure Christianity teaching, still in practice. So ang nagbilin mo ng one of them are the Waldenses, as known in the history. And katong naghawa, actually katong namingo with pagan doctrines, morning nahimong laing nga church and known as Christian church, but this is domain with the papacy.